We said we'll find Joss D92 and we found him. एक बात बताओ, हमारा चड्डी क्यों निकाल रहे हो?
मुझे डर नहीं लगता, डर लगना चाहिए आईपीएल को।
Prove yourself that you are the real Josh D82 or 92. 92, sorry,
अगला गाना आप सुन रहे हैं तमन्ना भाटिया का बड़ा लव रॉबिन सुब्बा मोर देन तमन्ना भाटिया। What do you think went wrong there? Your time starts now.
What do I think went wrong? अरे मैं actually tweet कर चुका हूँ, tweet पढ़ ले। Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
Good morning, pineapple. Then people say you troll us. There's a reason. ये देख के लोग troll करेंगे ना. Well, once a cricketer, other one's just loud. Welcome to 1.5 cricketers. And today this is our third
Are we
episode.
keeping our promise?
Yes.
Right? We're keeping our promise.
Yes.
And we said we'll find Joss D92.
I want to get in touch with him. So, Josh D92, we're going to upload everything with this meme. If you are watching this, we'll tag you as well. We'll find you somehow. Why don't you appear on the next episode of 1.5 Cricketers? We want to interview you.
And we found him.
Third episode में we're already breaking the internet and today also we're together एक दूसरे के आमने सामने बैठे हैं. I can see a lot of clothes behind. ये मुझे हाफ क्रिकेटर वाला ट्रीटमेंट दिया जा रहा है. रॉबिन का बैकग्राउंड देखो, मेरा बैकग्राउंड देखो.
हेलो, उसने चुना है ये बैकग्राउंड, मैंने नहीं दिया. मैंने उसको बोला साथ में बैठ के करते हैं बक, पर इसने बोला नहीं, मुझे वो बैकग्राउंड चाहिए.
Without any further ado, today we got a lot of things. It's going to be an action-packed episode. It's going to be very high on energy. But before that, the moment we've been waiting for, drum roll! Josh D92! Welcome to the show, brother. We found you. We found you.
एक बात बताओ, हमारा चड्डी क्यों निकाल रहे हो?
इसको अनम्यूट करो कोई. इसको कोई unmute करो.
इसका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है, रुक जा. इतना चड्डी क्यों निकाल रहे हो?
आपका चड्डी नहीं निकाल रहा था. I'm a huge fan, by the way. Your 50 in that first bowl out game against Pakistan, the way you actually knocked out on the third attempt the ball on the ball out, and then you doffed your cap. I'm a huge fan. I have followed you through your time when you broke into the Indian team. That blitzkrieg season that you played in the IPL, I'm actually a huge fan. आपकी नहीं उतार रहा था, commentary नहीं उतार रहा था in general.
एक सेकंड जैसे कीबोर्ड वॉरियर एक ट्रोलर रियल क्रिकेटर से मिला, टोन चेंज हो गया तेरा तो. जॉश, I thought you were representing the meme community.
I am representing the meme community. मुझे डर नहीं लगता, डर लगना चाहिए आईपीएल को. जल्दी आईसीसी नोटिस भेजेगा जल्दी आपको कि बॉस बॉल टेम्परिंग बंद हो गई है, इतना सलाइवा मत लगा करो.
Commentator tampering हो रहा है. Thank you, Josh.
Josh, but we need to do this for our fans of the show, literally 5 fans of this show. Prove yourself. Prove yourself that you are the real Josh D82 or 92. 92, sorry,
Okay, so I know there are a lot of accounts. I made a Josh D92 account. वो बहुत पहले का था. उसके बाद अब तो Josh D92 Pro, Josh D92 Ultra, Pro Max सब आ गया मार्केट में. Josh D92 underscore, and people are taking literally money on UPI. I have never charged any money. I'm not going to do it. I do. Yeah. People are taking UPI से asking for money कि मतलब support me so I can continue super chats. Yeah.
Wow.
But I have my own super chat receipts, which I have shared with you guys. I literally chat. I use this medium because as of right now, if we want to talk about improving the IPL or the game, there is really no channel that you can take. Unfortunately, Twitter is overrun with the troll armies, etc. So you can't take that channel. Broadcasters, हम जैसे कि कोई बात नहीं सुनेगा.
He's actually now.
नहीं. Listen. There's no trolling. There's no hate, right? Lot of people think कि मतलब ये कोई MSD hater है. That is not true at all. For me, MSD is in the same Indian cricket के pantheon में is in the same level as Sachin Tendulkar and मतलब अपना Kapil Dev, Sunil Gavaskar level, right? So
Yeah,
for me,
I don't think you were trolling MS actually. I think you were trolling the
Commentator.
broadcaster. And
And
on behalf
honestly,
of all the
it's not even.
broadcasters, I have to say that we are deeply hurt. But luckily, we understand and we have experienced with it. And we have experienced it. And I think today, as an Indian cricketer, and anyone who belongs to the Indian cricketing fraternity who's played in then broadcasting or just been involved in Indian cricket, then सबको everyone understands and experiences it in one way or the other because fan armies are so big you like today you can't even like make fun of your own brother like today I said that मैंने कहा था कि वो एमएस का थ्रो जो है वो तुक्का था
Correct.
यार ट्रोलिंग खत्म ही नहीं हो रही है यार
इस बात पे भी.
माँ बहन की गाली पड़ रही है
But as a broadcaster,
नहीं but
you know,
think about it like I said it was a joke on
correct,
and I joked about one of my closest friends मैं मेरा भाई का मैं खींच नहीं सकता
Correct.
उसका खींच
correct,
है ना
correct,
and then I literally had to like go like even from a cricketing perspective वो actually बंदा off balance था
correct,
बंदा मतलब he actually just took a chance
correct.
तुक्का क्या है what is तुक्का
It's a chance.
taking a chance right you're just taking a chance कि it's a gamble if it hits,
Right,
it hits, it doesn't.
right.
And it hit and that's the thing about MS right उसके पास वो जादू है अपने आप
Absolutely.
कुछ भी करता है वो साला काम होता है उसका।
Correct.
And we love it and we actually experienced it in a much closer sense that actually fans actually do because we are with him we sit with him we talk to him we joke around with him we that whole thing is there that banter is there that fun is there game plans are there team like his strategy is there while playing so we know it.
By knowing MS, he would himself say, "अरे मैं तो chance लिया है लग गया." You know what I'm saying?
Like a new-
Correct, correct, correct,
like, but then I understand the love for him and
correct.
the reverence for him out of which they say, yeah, how can you say Tukka? Like, I understand that. And I've actually gone and actually answered a lot of the, trollers,
Right.
especially guys who like sometimes have been disrespectful, they've been abusive.
Right.
I'm like, hey, if you actually just disagreed with me, you actually just made a comment
Right.
and said something, I would have responded to you, we could have had a much more deeper, meaningful conversation.
Correct.
Because it only sometimes and now I've like started interacting with
Right.
people who,
Right.
who follow me or people who comment on stuff, right? I interact with them taki it builds an interactive kind of communication
Correct.
bridge between us and them.
Here's a message to all the trollers. At least अगर बात करोगे ना तो थोड़ी vocabulary increase करो यार. थोड़ी conversational vocabulary.
Josh does it
Correct.
so much
Correct.
fun. Like,
क्या है? ऐसे थोड़ी होता है यार.
ट्रोलिंग में भी क्लास होती है लोगों को समझ नहीं आती है बात
At least conversation करो. He'll explain. He's here.
I think anyone will explain. I think, like, to be very honest, Josh, we actually have a big laugh about what you put out there, and sometimes obviously but to certain people it's offensive, and it's not the nicest thing to hear about yourself. But
Yeah.
some broadcast, but I think for the most part we actually have a laugh about it, and I think we take it as okay. I think what we laugh about is the fact that it's something that is said on certain news channels and then it's put up there and then they're like, "Ye kya keh rahe ho yaar?" That is really funny to be very honest.
Josh, do you get any hate from MSD, fans? And my question is, when you start, doing this, coming on super chats and trolling the Indian, broadcasters who also have a huge amount of experience. And let me tell you, as a broadcaster, I also want to know कि यार क्या होता है कभी-कभी कि you're live on air. आप कितना भी प्लान कर लो जब वो मोमेंट लाइव होता है you have to react as soon as possible and you can't think it through. So
Especially if it's not your first time.
exactly. So are you constantly criticizing, without having any prior experience? Give us your take मेरे भाई, because बहुत सारी चीजें ना बहुत सारी answers deserve करती है. Like for example, मैं ये believe करता हूँ कि अगर आपको खाना बनाना नहीं आता तो आप किसी शेफ का खाना रिव्यू भी नहीं कर सकते. Is my thing, right? You need to know what goes inside it.
I understand, and in fact, I'll take your first question पहले कि हाँ, I get trolling और मेरे को काफी hate मिलता है. Somebody figured out मेरा Twitter account क्या है, and फिर मेरे को मैसेज करता है कि भाई सुपर चैट के पैसे बचा ले, तेरी मरम पट्टी के काम आएंगे. तो बेसिकली मतलब हेट तो लोग हमें ही हेट करते हैं. द पॉइंट इज दैट इट इज
ट्रोलिंग की कम्युनिटी में आपस में लड़ाइयां चल रही है.
अरे नहीं, see, that's the difference. Look, there's trolling out of hate, and then there is basically trying to hold some of these things like commentary, etc., to account. See, look, it is not a. I understand we have no experience, I have no experience with commentary. I have cricket भी खेला है तो कोई बहुत छोटे मोटे levels पे खेला है and उसके बाद but I have grown up in a time where I have seen Hindi commentary like Maninder Sharma, Arun Lal. This is a technical sport. This is a technical sport. Environment, pitch, strategy, technique, everything is important, right? So basically you can bring people closer to the sport by telling them कि यार देखो ये हो रहा है, this is why it's happening. That's why commentary is there in the first place. आप उसे hype train और एक cult of personality बना दोगे तो फिर उसके बाद फिर then that is just then you are just basically आप cheerleaders हैं जो उसमें बैठे हुए commentary box में.
हाँ, तो
ठीक है
यहाँ पे
एंड
एक चीज मैं समझाता हूँ जॉब। तो हम लाइक यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस अबाउट ब्रॉडकास्टिंग कि क्रिकेट एक स्पोर्ट है, पर हमारे देश में उसको सिर्फ स्पोर्ट जैसे माना नहीं जाता। It's a huge business, right? Where the biggest, I mean, there's a huge business side to it also, and it's a massive business, right? Now, for example, broadcasters who have bought the rights for this have paid tens and tens and tens and thousands of crores, right? For it, right? And at some level, they have to try and break even, if not be profitable, right? And if you look at the business side of things, there are certain narratives that sell on air, right? And those narratives sometimes need to be followed because that's what does really well. Because the TRP actually defines that. It actually shows that it does really well. So for us, we have to be able to cater to that narrative also, which is why you see, for example, even in a say Rajasthan Royals versus RCB match, you see a Sanju Samson versus Virat Kohli as a picture. You won't see a Sanju Samson and Rajat Patidar, right? Or a Shubman Gill versus GT versus RCB, you'll say Shubman Gill versus Virat Kohli. Because that's what does well on it. That's what does well when it goes on. So those are different aspects that those nuances are not necessarily understood by the viewing public, and they feel like, oh, we are just cheerleading
Correct.
certain people. There are certain narratives that are set, and those narratives also need to be followed for business.
You know,
So, Robert, sorry, I'll just one quick counter question if you don't mind. So, Robert, let's say like we had Sachin Tendulkar. He's not there with the team since 2011 now, right? We had Mahendra Singh Dhoni 2019 के बाद से he's also not there. Virat and Rohit have gone. T20 चल रहा है. So, is cricket the constant or is the personality the constant? Is it right to keep personality at the center of this thing? Yeah, cricket is not strong enough to hold it.
as a fan, I think entertainment should continue because players will move on. Entertainment, the game will continue.
Yeah. So genuinely, I think it's a combination of sport and entertainment, right?
Yeah.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं हाल ही में वो SA20 का ब्रॉडकास्टिंग करके आया, ठीक है। बहुत सालों बाद ना जॉब मुझे एक्चुअली एक्सपीरियंस करने को मिला क्रिकेट इज जस्ट अ स्पोर्ट एंड नॉट एज नॉट एज life and death one. The stakes are not so high, people are not abuse it basically. uh, when you look at the atmosphere also, everyone's coming to have fun. uh, camera pans to, for example, in the crowd, kids dancing, elderly people dancing, beautiful looking people, whether it's men or women. Those are the things that are shown. And then what we're told even as broadcasters to say, call the ticket, call it as you see it, make it really fun, make it really entertaining, right? And there are no narratives set, so to speak. But in India, like you have to understand the business side of things, and also because uh, you know India basically is where all the eyeballs come to, right? And across the world, everyone comes to India because it sells so well, and we as a people make it. There's so much passion in our people. So it is sport, but it also is a business, and there is a business side to it, which is a very serious side to it, right? And it's understandable because the stakes are so high, so much money is paid, that needs to be earned back as well. It's an investment that needs to be earned back as well. So from the business aspect of it, also, it makes sense to us as broadcasters when we listen to it that okay, these are the narratives that are set. Not a lot of times, sometimes there are times we disagree with it also, but we have to follow suit because it's our job, and we understand that why this needs to be followed through. And if you look at it, at every era, no, there were legendary players that made the IPL really big, right? And we're going through one of those eras right now. Now the next era could be the likes of Shreyas Iyer, Shubman Gill, Yashasvi Jaiswal, say Priyan Sharia. It could be a lot of these guys who take who become the next legend of Indian cricket that actually take this to the next step, or the evolution will happen in that way.
Also, couple of questions मेरे भाई फटाफट से सबसे सिंपल सवाल एक ना जो हर कोई बोलना चाहता है अगर हिंदी से इतनी प्रॉब्लम है आपको तो इंग्लिश क्यों नहीं देख लेते
अरे यार, the point is not Hindi commentary. The point is कि this is the commentary standard has gone down across the board. English maybe you can see, and I'm not just talking about India. There are people who are sitting as experts and even as coaches in IPL teams. जब इंडिया चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी मैचेस जीतता है तो they are like India wins but cricket loses, and here they are.
As a fan, I'd like to answer that question. क्या होता है ना भाई कि तू एक क्रिकेट इंटेलेक्ट है, right? You're watching cricket with a lot of knowledge. But can you imagine जो बाकी 80% लोग जो रेगुलर क्रिकेट नहीं देखते हैं सिर्फ आईपीएल देखते हैं उनके लिए यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन इट लाइक योर फाइल
टेक्निकल एस्पेक्ट्स का उनको फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता क्योंकि they don't really
Correct.
they there for the entertainment.
Correct. My wife, she'd watch only cricket when RCB is playing. She doesn't understand. Sorry for the language, but उनके लिए तू और मैं क्रिकेट इंटेलेक्ट है वो तो क्रिकेट प्लेयर है. He can talk cricket in minutes. Like he can talk about front foot, high elbow, ये वो दुनिया भर की चीजें, but लोगों को फर्क नहीं पड़ता in that 3 hours ना.
Okay,
So
I
what a
understand.
pleasure. Looking forward to more super chats from you, मेरे भाई.
Absolutely. But please don't मतलब like please whoever is starting that Jaws D92 army trend, please यार personal comments मत करो. So, प्लीज लोगों को प्लीज बख्श दो. एक दो बंदों को आपने हिंदी कमेंट्री में इतना पकड़ लिया है कि उन्हें ट्विटर पे आके क्लैरिफाई करना पड़ा, स्टेटमेंट डालना पड़ा. प्लीज भाई छोड़ दो यार. सिर्फ आस्पेक्ट पे रखो. Yep.
Explain your side of the story before we let you go.
My side of the story in terms of the why I do this kind of thing. Yeah, very simply, right? I am more on the purist side, and maybe जो entertainment sport में mix हो रहा है, I am still to get past that idea. क्योंकि like you, मैंने भी रेडियो कमेंट्री जब स्मार्टफोन्स वगैरह में नहीं देख सकते थे, रेडियो कमेंट्री पे ही मैचेस सुने हैं ओडीआईज के, राइट? और इसीलिए फॉर मी दिस इज टू शार्प अ ब्रेक कि कहाँ से ये हमारा स्पोर्ट का टेक्निकल एस्पेक्ट खत्म हो गया और कहाँ से कल्ट ऑफ पर्सनालिटी अंदर आ गया हमारे स्पोर्ट में ब्रॉडकास्टिंग में, लाइक यू गाइस आर सेइंग. बट थैंक यू वेरी मच, दिस गिव्स मी अ न्यू पर्सपेक्टिव.
एक बात समझाता हूँ. लाइफ में ना थोड़ा फिलोसॉफिकल है, थोड़ा बता देता हूँ कैसे भी. लाइफ में ना the only way to balance is through imbalance. तो पहले ऐसे जाएगा, फिर ऐसे जाएगा, फिर ढूंढ ढूंढ के ना वो बैलेंस मिल जाएगा. I'm certain कि after a certain point in time, and I'm telling you, because of you guys bringing it to our notice, right? There's begun to be a balance with the way we broadcast as well, right? There are broadcasters who keep it entertaining. There are broadcasters who keep it technical. And I think over a period of time, we find that happy balance between entertainment and technical aspects as well. And then there'll be people who enjoy listening to, there'll be people who don't enjoy listening to. And I think it's a matter of time, right? I think we get there. Also, we're so used to voices, right? So certain voices we like. And then, and when new voices come, there's obviously there's a learning curve, okay? And two, it takes time to get used to a voice and appreciate the voice and the knowledge behind the voice, right? And to find that takes a little bit of time. And I can tell you, as soon as the game has evolved in the last 5-7 सालों में, इतना जल्दी गेम इवॉल्व हो चुका है यार. मैं बता रहा हूँ 15 साल पहले अगर रिवर्स स्वीप खेलते हो यार, मुझे 2012 तक 14 तक 15 तक एक्चुअली जब मैं रिवर्स स्वीप खेलता था लोग बोलते थे यार रिवर्स स्वीप क्यों खेलते हो इतना ज्यादा. अभी आप अगर रिवर्स स्वीप नहीं खेलते हो तो बोलते हैं यार तेरा बैटिंग करनी है, तुम्हारे पास एक्सेस नहीं है, तू हर ग्राउंड का हर एरिया एक्सेस नहीं कर पाता. अभी वो लाइक द गेम इज इवॉल्व so sharply, right? And it's evolving.
Thank you guys for that perspective. I'll इस बात पे काफी philosophical बात की आपने, इस बात पे शाम को सुपर चैट डालूंगा. So, but yeah, for me again there are some iconic moments. जब when MSD hits a six, वो धोनी finishes off in style पे किताब बंद हो गई थी. अब वो महेंद्र सिंह धोनी आ गए हैं तलवार उठा के, मैंने भी तलवार उठा ली है, वो सब मुझे like I'm happy without those things. But ठीक है, it's great.
That's understandable. Yeah, I completely respect that because you're a true aficionado of the game and comes from It comes from a meaningful place, and I can assure you, as a broadcaster, that we will find a balance. It's a matter of time. It's not a matter of if. It's a matter of when.
What a legend, mere bhai. See you. Take care, man. Bye. And thank you for joining us. Thank you.
Mr. Uttapa, I didn't even think for a second we'll complete the task I gave you last week. Let's go through it.
Think again.
I gave you
Think
some
again.
words. मेरे को नहीं लगा था टेलीस्कोप, इडली डोसा सांभर चटनी, ब्लूटूथ तो चलो फिर कहीं ना कहीं ब्लूटूथ इज कनेक्टेड आप कर दोगे. But I love rats and that to a national broadcast while broadcasting. How? Let's go through this. Play the videos, please. How?
But he hit it so high that you actually needed a telescope to see that ball.
Tell me this moment. How did you manage this? And what were your commentators के fellow के reaction?
Look at their reaction. They're like, what is this guy saying? ये तो कुछ भी बोल रहा है.
It gets worse. But then कौन सा moment था ये? Who hit the ball so high?
I can't remember. It was a drop catch between Stubbs and somebody else.
Okay.
And the catch got dropped.
Huh.
Or it fell between them. I can't remember that.
Correct.
But he just hit the ball really high. So for me, telescope. I was like, how do I, put in telescope into a comment or while I'm calling the game. Then I was like, okay, height की वजह से मैं कर सकता हूँ. अगर एक बॉल बहुत ऊपर गया तो कुछ हुआ तो I can say it.
Level 1 telescope, very easy. उसके बाद में आता है इडली डोसा सांभर चटनी. We are now going in the that category where a lot of South Indians can take an offense to it. Thankfully, you're a South Indian. How did we
कोई
manage
बोल
to do
सकता है
that?
तो मैं ही बोल सकता
I know, why? Play the next clip.
Seeing KL open the batting is like having idli, vada, dosa, sambar, and chutney. Right? And
For
it's,
breakfast, right?
For breakfast.
Yes, yes.
Start the day right. It's everything. And when you have KL Rahul open the batting,
Okay, take me through this. What if KL sees this video? Because KL apparently gave it back to Kevin Peterson also. Kevin Peterson को वो आजकल सबको दे रहा है. He spoke about how he once tweeted about it's rather
Yeah,
watch
I love that,
the
bro. That was
paint
so funny,
dry on the
bro.
wall. And did you see the next one?
No,
Where
I-
he's gone to KP and said, KP is asking what जो मैंने आपसे सवाल पूछा था, what does a mentor do in the last episode? So KP himself is saying nobody knows what a mentor does. And then KL walks in the picture and says he just takes 2 weeks holiday to Maldives in the middle of the season.
Tell me what a mentor is. Mentor is someone who goes to Maldives for 2 weeks mid-season.
All my friends are toxic, all ambitionless, so rude and always negative.
What if KL sees this video?
No, I think it'll be fine. And because I genuinely believe कि यार KL राहुल तो मतलब open करेगा तो मतलब फोड़ देगा जैसे फॉर्म में है. And we saw him do that also.
Correct.
Against Chennai,
Right.
at Chennai.
Huh.
So I felt like yeah, it's like nice, no? It's very heartwarming कि यार
Correct.
सुबह उठ रहे हो और तुझे इडली डोसा सांभर चटनी मिल रहा है. Seeing KL open the batting is as good as having that heartwarming इडली डोसा सांभर.
Feels like home.
तो वो
Oh.
मारेगा नहीं मेरा.
Next one, level 3, difficulty. Bluetooth is connected. How? Play the clip.
For IPL continues, Deepak Chahar strikes.
Bluetooth.
Swing is king, isn't it, Robbie?
Bluetooth connected. The Mumbai Indians continuing Jake Fraser McGurk's blues. First ball of the game. He's a gonzo. Hands up in the air in every direction. Bumrah, Hardik, and Deepak Chahar. And the hitman's happy as well. He's all smiles. This man not so much. Goes for a blob. 0 for 1 DC. Came on.
What the actual can't say the next word. भाई क्या रिएक्शन था मंजरेकर साहब का? कुछ ही ने कुछ बोला इसके बाद?
No, because it's a play on words, right? Because the Mumbai Indians blues. ठीक है तो ब्लूटूथ कनेक्टेड तो मतलब
इधर
बनता
से
ही
ताली भाई
बनता
बहुत
ही
बढ़िया
था. वो तो बनता ही था.
बहुत बढ़िया. लास्ट वाला तो घंटा मुझे नहीं लग रहा था आप करोगे. आई लव दैट.
मैं भी नहीं. Bro, that is the one thing I was like, how am I going to do this? Like, how am I going to say I love rats? पहले से I don't. I detest rats.
हाँ.
मेरे को बोले करना वो
हाँ,
फीलिंग आ जाती है. And I was doing a kids feed. On a particular Sunday, they asked me to do a kids feed.
Okay.
And so we're doing this show called Motu Patlu. Like it's a cricket watch along with Motu and Patlu. It's an Indian cartoon. तो वहाँ पे they asked me to do it, and I went and did it, and it was fun. I did it with a young kid, Sumansh, I think his name was. and a couple of friends who were broadcasters as well, actors who were broadcasters,
Right,
Mantra
right.
and Brijesh. So I did it with them, and then वहाँ पे it was such a fun conversation. It was less commentary, but just more conversational
Right.
and fun and this
Huh.
and that. And a lot of talk about samosas. So I was like, if there's a place I can, introduce
Sneak
this, I'll
it
do
in
it
is
here.
this one.
So go ahead and see it.
Let's play this video, मेरे भाई.
चूहे पसंद है कि बिल्ली?
मुझे चूहे पसंद है।
मुझे भी I love rats. क्यों?
मेरे घर में कंप्यूटर है उसमें माउस भी है।
What happened there? What happened there? Could hear.
मुझे याद नहीं है. मैं I was just happy that he said I love rats. वो relief जो मुझे मिला.
Very
Wow.
good.
वाह भाई
Great
वाह.
answer,
Wow.
Patlu ji. Great answer.
So they work so hard, yeah, Pari. They have to sit in that suit, and they have to do live action,
Wow.
animation. They have to do, and they have to,
Wow.
wear that. You have to obviously wear the voice and speak with that voice only. And they were there for like the full 20 overs, the first inning.
Holy
and
shit.
they were sitting on that chair for a good 5 hours, 5-6 hours.
Wow, more
It's
power to
hard
you guys,
work,
man.
It's,
More
they're
power
so
to you
good.
guys.
So, Motu Patlu ji, well done.
Let's get them on the show next week.
नहीं, we'll try. I'll try.
Yeah,
I'll
let's try.
definitely
Let's try.
Try
But
करते हैं.
Robin,
Task
इसके
मत बना देना
लिए
बस.
इसके लिए भाई आपके लिए बनती है स्टैंडिंग ओवेशन. एक मिनट कैमरा से बाहर जाके स्टैंडिंग ओवेशन. मैं ऑल्सो थोड़ा स्टैंडिंग ओवेशन इसलिए दे रहा हूँ कि अब मैं जो शर्त आ रहा हूँ उस पे अब मुझे कोई टास्क ना दो.
नहीं आजा वापस आजा साले. I have tasks for you.
हाँ. क्या मैं शर्त हार गया? अब तो मुझे लगा नहीं था आप आई लव रैट्स बोल पाओगे.
तो तुम कैसे भी तुम एयर पे हो अभी ना. रोज तो तुम एयर पे जाते हो.
हाँ, मेरे रेडियो पे.
हाँ रेडियो पे.
हाँ.
तुझे अगले 3 दिन के लिए
हाँ.
जब तुम एयर पे हो
हाँ.
बेवजह
हाँ.
तुझे बोलना है कि आई एम द बिगेस्ट फैन ऑफ रॉबिन उत्तपा. ही इज द बेस्ट.
यार, देखो मेरी नौकरी अगर गई तो आईपीएल वालों मेरी बात सुनो. मैं कुछ भी होस्ट कर लूंगा. मैं मोटू पतलू की कॉस्ट्यूम में चले जाऊंगा भाई.
इसमें कंडीशंस हैं पर.
हाँ, हाँ.
कंडीशन ये है कि मतलब इट शुड जस्ट साउंड रैंडम. लाइक हाय वेलकम बैक टू द शो. आई जस्ट वांट यू ऑल टू नो आई एब्सोल्युटली लव रॉबिन उत्तपा एंड ही इज द बेस्ट.
अगला गाना आप सुन रहे हैं तमन्ना भाटिया का. बड़ा लव रॉबिन उत्तपा मोर देन तमन्ना भाटिया.
3 दिन.
शिट.
3 दिन.
ओके 3 दिन
3 दिन.
लग गए.
मिनिमम 2 times a day.
लग गए. लग गए. चलो फिर. For more tune into my radio station 31016. अच्छा अब ना ये तो देखो मैं कोशिश करूंगा बट आज एक और टास्क है. इसके लिए हमें एक्शन कैमरा पे मूव करना पड़ेगा. वेट.
हाँ तुम ये माइक हाथ में क्यों पकड़ रहे हो
क्योंकि-
यार? मतलब पेन लो ना. ये क्या है?
Correct. ये मूविंग ऑन टू एक्शन कैमरा ऑल्सो शोइंग यू रॉबिन का टास्क. टुडे द टास्क इज वट एवर क्वेश्चन आई आस्क यू. हमारे प्रोड्यूसर्स को ये मालूम चला है कि आप ना साथ में बैठे हम लोग बहुत लंबे लंबे आंसर्स देते हो. तो आज इफ यू क्रॉस 2 minutes we'll time every question every answer. वो भी आया देखो. You will do this on your face.
If I cross 2 minutes.
2 minutes. Okay, for this I'm going to move to your camera. Ready?
ट्रोल किया जा रहा है मुझे. अबे वो चेयर ले लो.
बार टाइप फील आ गया.
चेयर ले लो.
Right, today's task. Robin has to answer every question in 2 minutes. If he crosses 2 minutes. सवाल में ऐसा डिफिकल्ट पूछने वाला हूँ. Okay, home curse. RCB. 7 losses in the last 7 matches at home, including WPL. ठीक है? What do you think went wrong there? Your time starts now.
What do I think went wrong? अरे मैं एक्चुअली ट्वीट कर चुका हूँ. ट्वीट पढ़ ले.
ये गलत बात है यार. वो ट्वीट पढ़ो. ट्वीट पढ़ो.
तो नहीं मैं यही ले. So basically
45 seconds to go.
मुझे लगता है कि I just think they haven't nailed their strategy at home, and I think they need to nail their strategy at home, and they need to try that strategy for an entire year. I don't think they've been patient enough to try it for an entire year. अगर वो try करेंगे तो they'll be fine.
Well done! Well done! Next question, बहुत लंबा पूछने वाला हूँ. We witnessed 247 getting chased and 111 getting defended in the same week,
हाँ
including a super over.
हाँ
Sum up last week for me. You're done. 40 done.
हाँ तो 2 minutes है. They can go to 13, 45.
Correct. You can go to 12, 13, 40.
Basically, it's cricket, bro. This is the IPL. This is the IPL. तो pressure मत डाल दे.
हाँ ठीक है.
This is the IPL.
ठीक है.
Okay.
30 सेकंड में सिर्फ 3 बार बोला this is the IPL.
They're going to be highs, they're going to be lows. They're going to be high-scoring games, they're going to be low-scoring games. Okay, where was the 111 game? कहाँ पे था?
पंजाब में ना? नहीं.
पंजाब में. Generally, is a high-scoring
Was it
game.
Punjab?
It was
It's Punjab.
in
Correct.
New Chandigarh.
Correct.
मतलब solid wicket था, पर उस दिन पे थोड़ा two-pace था, पर wicket थोड़ा two-pace था, but I felt like just the attitude with which Punjab came in bold, and they needed to get early wickets, and I felt like KKR felt confused as to how they should approach the innings. 13 मिनट तक है साले, 10 सेकंड नहीं है. तू वेट कर रहा है मेरे पे डालने को, रुक जा.
Okay.
I have a whole minute left.
Correct. Well done.
So I felt like KKR came, a little worried. कि, मतलब should we attack? Should we play defensively? Should we just go for an easy chase? I think they came dual-minded. I think that's why they didn't get the victory. And Punjab bowled exceptionally well. They fielded also exceptionally well.
यार कैसा आदमी है
Bro, but you're still spraying shit on me.
Not on you. In the air. Air fire, bro. Air fire.
मेरे पे इधर गिर रहा है साले.
बढ़िया पानी है और कुछ नहीं है. Ready? When was IPL this competitive last? If you look at the halfway mark right now, all top 7 can qualify. DC at 10, Punjab Kings at 10,
Easy question.
Gujarat.
ये तो easy है.
Who do you think will qualify and why?
Who do I think will qualify?
Your time starts now.
13-27.
हाँ.
So who do I think will qualify? I think Punjab will qualify. I think RCB will qualify. I think DC will qualify. GT have a very strong chance right now, but I would put it between. I would put these 4 teams, and the one team that will add to this would be SRH because they're such a hit or miss team. I think the other teams are tethering right now, and I think they will. These 5 teams have a lot of momentum going their way, and I think that's why these 5 teams will qualify this season.
क्या करूँ इसका मैं?
अपने आप पे डाल दे सारे.
एक सवाल. Is it because IPL has gotten so interesting in the last week? Is it because PSL has started?
Could you be
Starts now.
Could you be no, I don't think
Achha.
PSL even stands a chance. With all due respect to all the PSL fans, I don't think the competition itself stands a chance. And if you look at the quality of even production, if you look at no, I think the quality of production is quite nice, but I just think that just the entertainment quotient and the fact that it's super interesting and the fact that the quality of cricketers that you get from around the world and from India itself, I think India is so rich, man, with the talent. So I don't think that they will even come close by any length of the word. From what I've heard, I hear that it's an amazing league.
Yeah.
It's the players feel wonderful there.
Right.
The hospitality is amazing.
Right.
Generally, Pakistan people are
Lovely.
known for their
Hospitality.
hospitality. Not the government. I'm talking about.
No, but yeah, I have a lot of Pakistani friends. I think उनकी hospitality दिल अलग है उनका यार. Agreed. I can say that. I mean, absolutely agreed. Time बहुत है अभी क्या करें? वो hair dryer देखा आपने क्या दिया PSL में?
Bro, what is that?
Cut to that.
Like they could have just wrapped it up in something and then just given it to Vince,
Correct.
not, instead of actually doing that. That's such a bad look on PSL actually.
It's crazy what मैंने बहुत सारे
And the fact that they put a bike up there on
correct. Oh my God.
That's
No,
anyway.
that's just reducing the trust and the viewership.
value
anyways.
of
Value is the word. Yeah, Virat Kohli now holds a new record. Which one is that? And I don't think Virat Kohli, मेरे दिमाग में ये record कभी नहीं आएगा विराट कोहली का.
Most number of 50s.
Most number of sixes for a team in T20s.
But that's normal, no, bro. As a top order batter, you will say if he's played, if one player has played for 18 seasons in one franchise,
Yeah.
and he's a superb batter, he's one of the greatest in the world as far as batting is concerned. And ट्रोल करने से पहले मतलब गाली बकने से पहले थोड़ा समझ लो, मैं कभी विराट कोहली की मतलब बैटिंग के बारे में कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं किया. मेरा बस ओपिनियन था उनके लीडरशिप के बारे में. Not even his captaincy. I think he was a great captain. अंतर होता है between a captain and a leader. Captaincy is जो काम आप फील्ड के अंदर करते हो, strategy wise, tactical wise, tactics wise, he is very good. But for me, leadership is a whole different conversation.
I thought हो गए तो
नहीं, तो ये हुए साले. Which is what I'm talking about.
Fair enough. Now, okay, moving on to our next segment, unpopular questions.
Oh, okay.
Right?
Yes,
First unpopular question. Name some foreign players on the bench who are better than foreign players in the team.
Oh man, you have to remind me. Foreign players on the bench.
For Punjab, I feel if Maxwell is out of form, the other foreign players on the team, on the bench.
Yeah.
Chennai.
Chennai, I feel Sam Curran better than I would rate Sam Curran better than Jamie Overton. Again, with all due respect,
Correct.
and I love Sam, and mainly because I also know him personally. Maybe
Correct.
that's why my
Correct.
affinity towards
Correct.
having Sam Curran, because I think he's a gun player and I think he can be utilized a lot of different places. Who else? Romario Shepherd perhaps can be used
Correct.
instead of Liam Livingston
Correct.
as an all-rounder.
Exactly.
So I think that's another option.
Nice. Ooh. यार इतने जल्दी एक मिनट में भी नहीं दे आंसर यार. Karun Nayan made a comeback.
What a story.
What a story, right? Why don't you tell us the story? Your time starts now. But then I'll follow up with a question.
To hear this answer, please go watch my YouTube video on Karun. Watch the podcast also.
Legend. Can Prithvi Shaw also make a similar comeback?
Oh, 100% he can make a similar comeback. And I think he's got the talent. I think he just needs to get into the right space mentally. हाल ही में एक वीडियो देखा था which I felt quite badly for him about.
Yeah.
I don't know who the other person was, but that was not a nice look on the other person. And I empathize with Prithvi. I think you know he has a lot more left in him, and I think he really needs to work on his fitness now. He needs to, like, I don't care what you do, dude. I don't care.
Yeah,
if
off
you
the field.
Ozempic, lose weight,
Yeah.
freaking lose
Yeah.
weight, get fit.
Yeah.
Because the way you look, and I know that better than anybody else, right? The way you look has a big part on what people think about you and what people feel about you. Right?
एक बार ऐसे करना. Good question, Parikshit.
Good question, Parikshit.
Last unpopular question. Right now, you see bowlers getting fined for celebrations. When we saw Abhishek Sharma pull out that.
Arey, what a celebration!
Okay, next question, follow-up question. Yes, that's a great celebration, but that now can be used to do anything if that's the form of the celebrations.
पर
Like
फुटबॉल में होता ही है ना.
you get a yellow card for doing that.
हाँ, ठीक
You
है.
get a yellow card for doing that.
हाँ, but this is such a lovely celebration, which is
Love it.
spreading positivity.
Correct, but
right? And
if
he's
you
giving
have
back
any
to the
issues, you can
fans.
write anything on a piece of paper. That's what the.
But then he'll pay, whoever it is will pay the price for it.
Should they?
They will. 100% they will. It's there in the playing conditions of the game. You can't be, it's also there in the contracts of the players.
Is it?
Yeah. So you can only do things that are affirming, that is nice. You know, celebration. Like, for example, for me, one of the reasons I used to doff my hat after taking a catch was because I want to involve the crowd in it. I want them to have a great time. So
Great.
any celebration that involves the crowd and puts a smile on people's face, you want that. It's very endearing. है ना? Isn't it?
Fifth. Well done, yaar. Now, time starts for the next question. Last question.
Now, bros and sisters, if I answer this question within 2 minutes, I'm gonna spray this on his face. Now ask.
Interview over. What a lovely podcast. Thank you. Thank you for watching 1.5 Cricketers. Time is over.
हाँ, task याद है ना साले?
Ha. I love Robin Uthappa more than Tamanna Bhatia.
No, not more than Tamanna Bhatia. I love Robin Uthappa. He's the best.
I love Robin Uthappa. He's the best. Done.
याद रखना.
If I don't do the task, he gives me a bat.
हाँ, and what is that? 101 point?
6.
I don't give him a bat and all. This is the task he has to do. Is punishment for the task he made me do.
1.5 Cricketers. What a fucking legend. What a legend.
What an amazing episode. See you guys in the next one. Ciao. We'll start with Good Morning Pineapple.
Aiva. Done. You start.
This has to be start of every episode.
Done. You start. Ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Then people say you troll us. There's a reason.